start. At the very outset, it is pertinent to outline the scope of writ jurisdiction under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India while examining and adjudicating upon an impugned order full stop. Under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, High Courts have the power to adjudicate upon an impugned order along with the power to entertain writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition quo warranto and certiorari full stop. While adjudicating upon an impugned order, the scope of writ jurisdiction is narrowed to examining the contents of the order which is before the court full stop. Any consideration beyond assessment of the impugned order, including investigation into evidence and question of facts, would amount to exceeding the jurisdiction full stop. While examining the challenge to an impugned order, the court has to limit itself to the consideration whether there is any illegality, irregularity, impropriety or error apparent on record full stop. But the question still remains as to what is the legal import of the expression error of law apparent on the face of the record full stop. Is it every error of law that can attract the supervisory jurisdiction of the High Court to quash the order impugned full stop? This court, as observed above, has settled the law in this respect by laying down that in order to attract such jurisdiction full stop, it is essential that the error should be something more than a mere error of law, that it must be one which is manifest on the face of the record full stop. In this respect, the law in India and the law in England are therefore the same full stop. It is also clear on an examination of all the authorities of this court and of those in England referred to above, as also those considered in the several judgments of this court, that the common law writ now called order of certiorari, which was also adopted by our constitution, is not meant to take the place of an appeal where the statute does not confer a right of appeal full stop. Its purpose is only to determine on an examination of the record whether the inferior tribunal has exceeded its jurisdiction or has not proceeded in accordance with the essential requirements of the law which it was meant to administer full stop. Mere formular technical errors even though of law will not be sufficient to attract this extraordinary jurisdiction, full stop. If at all they are errors in appreciation of documentary evidence or affidavits, errors in drawing inferences or omission, full stop.